Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So in this video, I'm going to be putting these two cleansers head to head, let you know what one is most suitable for you, and then basically just let you know how to incorporate it into your skincare routine as well, and what skin type would benefit the most, and all that jazz. So right here I've got the Simple Purifying Cleansing Lotion, and over here I've got the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. I have done a review on this and I'll be sure to link it somewhere here for you to check out. So Simple, first of all, is really affordable, and I like the fact that their products are fragrance free. And I mean, it's just that one product that if you're all new in the skincare game, if you have sensitive skin, it's just that skincare brand that caters to, that makes products that is suitable for practically every skin type, if you know what I mean. So now moving to the Simple Purifying Cleansing Lotion. Who is this for? This is for people who want to take away makeup from their face, because honestly sometimes going straight to using a cleanser on the face is just not ideal. It can be a bit harsh and it won't even take off everything. This promises to gently take makeup off the skin and all that jazz. So when you have your mascaras, your lipsticks and all that, you just take some of this. You can put it on a cotton pad, then wipe your face, or even on your hand, then just wipe your face. This feels just like a lotion, like cream, and this, like it promises, it gently takes this product off. Because sometimes you find out that when you're taking off makeup product, because some of them are quite strong on the face, like they're quite almost like embedded to your skin, you find out that you're like struggling, dragging and everything. But and you use like products like this, lotions, they're much gentler, and then they take off these mascaras, lipsticks, lip stains, eyeliners much more easy. If you want to take makeup off and you want to go in with this one, and you go in with your refreshing facial wash, it honestly is not going to take off the makeup totally, so it's going to be quite a struggle. So you see, that's where this cleansing lotion trumps this one. So that's a 1-0 if you're in a competition. But when you don't have like makeup on, you just want to take off your the dirt from the day, or even in the morning you wake up, you just want something refreshing, no much drama, this is it for you. This is more universal in my opinion. So this can be used by anybody. You don't have to have makeup on your skin to use it. This is very gentle. This can be used on all skin types and all that, whereas this one is most especially for makeup. So you see, in that case, this is a 1-1. So this one trumps this one. This one, you can use this on every skin type, any day, anytime. And now back to this one. This one is very good if you've got sensitive skin and you find out that regular cleansers don't cut it for you, it's too harsh. This would be a very good option for you. Whereas this one, like I said, it's generally you can use it. But in my opinion, if I were to go to the shop and purchase one, I would go for this one. Reason being that this one is more universal, but this one is just most especially for makeup. I mean, I've barely used this ever since I got this, but this one I've used it I've gone through it over the years. Not that I use it all the time now, but this is like a travel size. So that being said, I would say that the two are a very good combination when you want to thoroughly take off makeup and make sure your face is thoroughly cleansed. Because yes, this might take off makeup, but it won't give you that 100% clean face. Especially if you have oily skin, you might just struggle, because you might find out that this is too heavy. So let's say this two products is most ideal for double cleansing. Do you understand? When you use this for the first cleanse and this as the second cleanse, to ensure all the not all the rubbish gets taken off the face. So that's it. That being said, they are both so good. I would say this is most preferable for people who are makeup wearers and you struggle with taking off your mascara. I mean, as a makeup artist, I see some of my clients come, they have the dark under eye. It's not that it's like dark circles. This is just as a result of not being able to take off eyeliners and mascaras and everything. So this is when this comes into play. This is when this is beneficial and very gentle. And then again, both of them are rich in vitamin B5 and vitamin E, so they both contain antioxidants. Basically, they are very mild and gentle, and the best part is that they're very affordable. So what do I think about both of them? Like I said before, if you are looking to get in just one, this is your best bet. But if you can afford to get two, and if you're a makeup wearer, get both of them. But if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, and you just want something that is mild and gentle, go for the Purifying Cleansing Lotion. So that has to be it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any questions, any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried any of them? Have you tried any Simple products? Let me know as well. I've done a review on most of the products, and I'll be sure to put them in the description or link them somewhere here for you to check. So with all that being said, I have come to the end of today's review. I hope, like I said, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.